Stand by for a message from the National Weather Service.
Tornado emergency for the mainland United States. The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for the entire United States, effective until further notice. At 3:11 p.m. Eastern Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar and storm chasers were tracking the biggest tornado in history. This is not a test. Repeat, this is not a test. The tornado will be in parts of Canada, the Bahamas, Cuba, Alaska, Hawaii, Mexico, and American Samoa. If you are on the road, pull safely to the side of the road and duck down. We will issue an emergency action termination when the storm has ended. God bless America.